begins to rise as information lights our eyes. No complex maze, just open ways through productive, brighter days. Calm assurance with a steady hand, exploring wonders in this digital land. Each click a step, a gentle flow. Watch understanding swiftly grow. Here where knowledge finds its grace, a professional, calm and steady space. Every task a clear design, harmony for heart and mind. Moving forward, strong and true, fresh possibility unfolding for you. Embrace the clarity, serene and deep. The future's bright secrets we will keep. The interface, a friendly guide with wisdom waiting deep inside. Solve solutions, always clear and keen, unfolding on a vibrant, thoughtful screen. From simple functions to a grander plan, a helping hand for every learning man. No challenge too great to truly face in this efficient, purposeful pace. Here where knowledge finds its grace, a professional, calm and steady space. Every task a clear design, harmony for heart and mind. Moving forward, strong and true, fresh possibility unfolding for you. Embrace the clarity, serene and deep. The future's bright secrets we will keep. Breaking down the complex walls, responding to your silent, hopeful calls. A journey shared, a quiet, guiding art to master skills and play your essential part. Confidence begins to gently bloom, dispelling every shadow of past gloom. With every lesson clearly understood, building pathways leading to what's good. Concepts gently come to view, a streamlined process fresh and new. The digital world now at your command, with tools designed across the land. Efficiency in every stride, with knowledge flowing like a tide. Your potential now unlocked and free for all the world to truly see. Here where knowledge finds its grace, a professional, calm and steady space. Every task a clear design, harmony for heart and mind. Moving forward,
if this
strong and
helped,
true,
give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Quick Fix Office and PC Smart Fixes. Faster work.